In this video, we're going to show you how to use your heat if you're staying in the Mystic or in the Nest Inn. So in these houses, you have three sources of heat. Your primary source during the winter is going to be this Emerson thermostat. That's going to control your furnace heat, which is going to be the vents that are blowing from the floor. It's very simple to use. You make sure that your toggle switch at the bottom is actually flipped over to heat. And then it's a simple up and down on the temperature. The system will turn on and off to maintain temperature. Your secondary source of heat is actually going to be this mini split remote right here. In order to operate it, you do have to pull the remote off the wall, and you do have to point the remote at the system. If you don't point the remote at the system, it's not going to make any changes. You'll hear that beep beep. That means that the remote made contact and made changes to the system. If you don't hear that beep beep, it did not make changes to the system, and it won't actually adjust the temperature. Your last source of heat for this house is going to be this thermostat right here. This is going to be your electric heat on the floor. This really is only for backup emergency use. Both the Emerson furnace heat and the mini split are going to keep you very comfortable in the home. This electric heater is really just here in case one of these other sources fail. So this thermostat doesn't really have to be touched unless you contact someone from the main office and they tell you to adjust this thermostat. But that's how you're going to use your heat if you're in the Nest Inn or in the Mystic.